If you've caught any of my initial impression videos, you already know I haven't held back on my thoughts about the design of Samsung's new Galaxy Watch Ultra, which officially launched in mid-July 2024. While I still believe Samsung could have done better in the aesthetics department, after using it for over a month, I can confidently say it lives up to its Ultra name in many other aspects. Although it clearly draws inspiration from the Apple Watch Ultra, Samsung's high-end Wear OS smartwatch enhances a robust software experience with impressive battery life, excellent GPS tracking, and a variety of features tailored for outdoor lovers. With the Pixel Watch 3 on the horizon, I'm ready to call it the top Wear OS smartwatch on the market, at least for the time being. First impressions are crucial, particularly in a competitive market. To be honest, the design of the Galaxy Watch Ultra almost deterred me from exploring the product further, if not for my professional obligation to investigate. Even worse, the squircle design creates 4 rounded corners of unused space, highlighting how much larger the display could have been or how much sleeker the case could appear. Additionally, the raised bezel seems to cry out for a rotating feature, yet Samsung chose not to include this popular option in their most expensive model. With only one 47mm size available, the Galaxy Watch Ultra feels bulky and lacks sophistication, resembling more of a child's toy than the sleek Apple Watch it tries to emulate. Lastly, I'm puzzled by the bold use of orange accents, which feels like a clear nod to Apple. Even if I were to change the band, I'd still be stuck with the loud orange indices and action button, which feel limiting. While I appreciate that Samsung offers the watch in 3 color options, all of them still feature the orange action button. On the bright side, several design elements of the Ultra represent significant enhancements. The newly introduced action button enhances user engagement and allows for quick access to functions such as initiating a workout or activating the flashlight. It would be great to see Samsung expand the capabilities of this button in the future and provide additional customization options, as its current functionality feels somewhat limited at launch. However, I do appreciate the protective guard around the button, which has prevented accidental presses, a frequent issue I encountered with my Apple Watch Ultra. The 1.5-inch display, protected by sapphire glass, shines with a maximum brightness of 3000 nits, ensuring readability during sunny hikes and runs, while also offering ample space for scrolling through menus and data. The titanium grade 4 casing is made from robust materials, ensuring a water resistance of up to 10 atmospheres. Occasionally, I've struggled with touchscreen responsiveness when my hands are sweaty, a challenge I had hoped would be addressed in this adventure model. Nevertheless, with dry and clean fingers, navigating the interface is straightforward and feels very intuitive. Wear OS 5 adds even more features and further enhances the overall stability of the device. The Galaxy Watch Ultra and Galaxy Watch 7 series mark the debut of Wear OS 5, continuing Samsung's trend since the introduction of Wear OS 3. These devices also showcase One UI 6 Watch, Samsung's distinctive interface, which means users experience a customized version of Wear OS rather than the standard platform. This new software introduces several enhancements, particularly in power efficiency, which translates to improved battery life for users. This is particularly crucial for the Ultra model, as Google has prioritized battery management during workouts, allowing athletes to keep their devices operational for longer periods without needing a charge. Additionally, the Ultra is equipped with a new processor, ensuring that apps and tools load swiftly, transitions are seamless, and the overall experience is smooth and glitch-free. Users can also explore the watch face format introduced with Wear OS 5, enabling further personalization of their watch faces with additional complications and color options. However, I did find myself needing to refer to my phone for more information on a few occasions. While this is sometimes unavoidable, I generally prefer to keep everything accessible directly from my wrist when using a smartwatch. Upon closer examination, one aspect that hasn't won me over is Samsung's new Ages Index. The company claims that advanced glycation end products reflect your overall biological aging process and provide an indication of metabolic health. While I usually enjoy reflecting on my aging as a way to indulge in self-reflection about my unrealized potential, this particular metric leaves me feeling skeptical and confused. For one, it's not clear what constitutes a good score on the vibrant scale provided. At this stage, the tool seems somewhat incomplete, and I'll need to keep an eye on it for any future updates from the company. Additionally, Samsung rolled out the Energy Score, which evaluates various factors like sleep patterns, the previous day's activities, and overnight heart rate and HRV. This feature offers insights akin to Garmin's body battery, which I find quite useful. However, my personal experience with it was hit or miss. My score remained relatively stable throughout the review period, despite varying levels of activity and sleep quality. In contrast to the Index, it's clear that this tool has the potential to be refined into something that Ultra users will appreciate in the future. Samsung is making strides in enhancing sleep tracking capabilities. With the introduction of Galaxy AI, users can enjoy a more tailored experience and in-depth analysis. Notably, the Galaxy Watch Ultra now features FDA-approved sleep apnea detection when paired with a compatible smartphone. However, based on my experience, the platform still requires some fine-tuning compared to my preferred overnight trackers. The Galaxy Watch Ultra boasts a comprehensive and growing feature set. The integration of Galaxy AI brings more personalized options, reinforcing the watch's role as a genuine wellness partner. I'm particularly enthusiastic about the advancements in sports tracking, which I will discuss further. On a less positive note, several health features are limited to Samsung phones, which continues to surprise me. This includes the FDA-approved ECG, blood pressure monitoring, and notifications for irregular heart rhythms. Each year, I hope Samsung will finally break down its barriers to attract more users who might otherwise opt for a Pixel watch, yet they seem to hold back. But then again, I'm not a business expert. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is a robust and performance-driven wearable, complete with an action button and strikingly sporty bands designed to meet its ambitious marketing claims. I was pleasantly surprised by the GPS accuracy during my tests, especially since Samsung has had its ups and downs in this area. The Ultra managed to keep pace with some of my most reliable devices. I firmly believe that a sports watch should excel in both GPS and heart rate accuracy, and Samsung's offerings have sometimes fallen short in this regard. When the Galaxy Watch Ultra, along with the Galaxy Watch 7, introduced multi-band or dual-frequency GNSS support, I tried to temper my expectations. However, the announcement of an enhanced optical heart rate sensor made it difficult to contain my enthusiasm. Overall, the heart rate tracking on the Galaxy Watch Ultra is impressive. It accurately captured my heart rate during various activities, including running, walking, and indoor cycling, when compared to my chest strap and the Apple Watch Ultra 2. While there were a few minor inconsistencies, which are common with wrist-based devices, it performed reliably during interval training, a crucial aspect for heart rate monitors. I'm pleased with the advancements and would recommend this watch as a solid gym partner for most athletes. One of the standout features of this larger Galaxy Watch is its substantial battery life. Throughout the review period, I consistently achieved nearly 3 days of use, even with extensive GPS tracking during workouts, thanks to Wear OS 5. Charging was infrequent enough to be hassle-free, and I never encountered an unexpected dead battery. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is not a standalone product. Rather, it reflects a growing trend in the market towards adventure-oriented wearables. While I have mixed feelings about how this trend has influenced Samsung's design choices with the Galaxy Watch Ultra, I believe many users will appreciate what it offers. If you're seeking a top-tier multisport watch for your adventures without the full smartwatch experience, I highly recommend exploring Garmin's offerings, such as the Epix Pro Gen 2 or Fenix 7 Pro. On the other hand, if you desire an excellent smartwatch experience without the bulk or the Ultra's design, the Galaxy Watch 7 retains many of the Ultra's standout features and comes at a more affordable price. Unlike the Galaxy Watch 7, the Ultra is exclusively available in an LTE version. It's worth noting that premium adventure devices often carry hefty price tags, and the Galaxy Watch Ultra is no exception. If the Squircle design isn't to your liking, but you still want a robust Samsung watch, I still have a fondness for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and would wholeheartedly recommend it, especially if you can snag it at a good price. So, what are your thoughts on this latest wearable from Samsung? Share your experience if you already got the one. For more updates, do subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.